everybody. Kenny from Papa Kenny's Workshop. As you can see, Snowzilla is outside and running. We got the chain in. Got the chain in last night. See it. Working good. Just got finished oiling it up. I don't know if you can see it, but the spin is on as well. Right down there. Oh yeah. Took a little bit of work, but she's ready. We're waiting on snow. As you can see, it's only 50 degrees today. But anyways, for those of you that are new to the channel and haven't followed along, this truck was headed for a junk sale. It had a blown transmission. The dump body didn't work. There was sand and salt that was stuck on here for I don't know how many years. It was just corroding away. The rear end, leaf springs were broken, the hangers were broken. But we had a donor truck, a Ford L8000 that had a good rebuilt transmission and a good rear end. So I decided to take the transmission out of that, out of Snowzilla, and put that transmission in here. We also put the rear end in from that other truck. Moved the axle ahead about 12 inches to accommodate the sander. And yeah, this is the finished product. I am going to do a time lapse from start to finish of how we built this and what went into it. So thanks for following along. If you like this type of video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share the video. And keep an eye out for an update for that time lapse. And let's see it snow. Maybe the next time we'll be out plowing with it. Thanks for watching.